Hello guys, look at those cool dryers. So we're at Crystal Springs Car Wash and we're gonna be getting my car washed today. And this is everyone's favorite. It's a NuStar. It is a NuStar Super Comet, very rare to find nowadays. Most of these have all been ripped out and replaced with the most boring car washes on earth. Anyways, here we go. There's your menu. Pause if you want to read. And there's your money machine. So I'll be getting the $8 car wash today. The good news is, this is actually my local car wash. This is about 5 minutes away from where I live, so I can go here anytime I'd like. Here we go. This is so well maintained. I like this a lot. This is the best maintained NuStar Super Comet I have ever seen. We used to have these a lot in El Paso, back when I used to live there years ago, but they all got removed. tells you what it's doing there. That was very quick. That's it. So car washes of Mesa and beyond, you should check this car wash out. You can see it. And something really cool too, if you want, I'm not going to do this because I don't want to pay again, but if you want your car to have any additional drying, take a look at that. That was just recently installed not too long ago. You pay and you have your car dried even more, but those are for people who are washing the car manually. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.